Hi, viewers, welcome to the iLmi Academy. Here we help you to learn English, mathematics, physics, chemistry and biology from metric to higher level. Sometimes you want to learn maximum, in minimum time. Questions are pending in your mind about the lectures you got from your respective teachers. Questions about each subject blank your concepts. Decrease your capacity to learn. You want to expert in each subject. Sometimes teachers suggest you to be a part of group study. It's a good idea. But not enough. You get success unless you focus on self-learning. The iLmi Academy help out you to reach your goal by providing you a chance to ask questions. We tell you and show you the proper solution with common examples from daily life. By practicing over it you learn quickly. You get tense short key, derivations of formulas, numerical solution, mathematical calculations, proper use of calculator, tips to solve paper, lectures about specific topics, and many more about your study. As per your demand in the comment section, the iLmi Academy give its best to make you a learner from a reader. To subscribe the YouTube channel of the iLmi Academy to get updated. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get a notification about videos. Thank you.